Hello, I have a 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat back. Going to show you what is the purge valve and the easy way to replace it. And if you have this message, check your fuel cap. That's gonna be your purge valve. So the passenger side, if you go down here, and if you go on top of the cat, you see the purge valve. It's actually hanging behind the passenger side cylinder head, but I found this one is broken, so you can see it from here, and if you go back you can see it also from there. So easy way to get this out. You cannot get it out from the top or the bottom, I mean the bottom only. So what I did, I get this long clip screwdriver, and what I did is I stick this in here in between the holes and keep trying to push it out. So I get this out, and if you see this this one got a hose connected to this line, the other side of the hose that connected to the purge valve. See this? Okay, get a clear view. Yeah, it's connected. See, this white tip is connected to this line over here. So I push this in with my right hand, and I'll show you what I did. And I pushed this with my right hand here, and with my left hand I push this in to unclip the hose. I push it in and then push it up with your right hand, so you unclip this hose. When you unclip this and get this hose out, so you lay down the sensor and unclip the block, take the block off, and then you will have this one free, so you can get it down. And here, like I said, I push this like that with my left hand finger, pushed in like this, while you push your right hand up, so you disconnect this hose, and over here you keep wiggling, then you get this out like that. So then you have easy access to unplug the purge valve. So that's the only way I could do. Like, there is no way to get it from the top or on the side or anywhere. That's the easiest way. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.